Yes. Start reading Ad-Darsul Asani Ashr. Asani Ashr. 12th. Okay. If we want to say 12th, 13th, 14th, and like that, so what we will do on the first word of number will be written with alif lam. Okay, like al hadi ashr, asani ashr, asalis ashr means 13th, 12th, है ना, and 11th. Okay, my voice is coming. So ad-darsu asani ashr, 12th chapter. Now I start reading someone. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, now start. Yes, beta start now. Voice is coming. My voice is coming. Yeah, read. Translate that. Translate it also. Yazuru Adelun Madrasatan Saniyatan fi Delhi. Visits. Visited not. Beta visit. How visited? Yazuru is there. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Ja'ani. Beta, please, Nabiha, what you are reading? Ja'ani Sadiqun. How you are saying that I went? Ja'a Sadiqun ni. You are not getting that Sadiqun is coming marfu, and noun which is coming marfu after verb will be doer, file. So how you are saying that I went? Ah, you yes. The friend, a friend, beta, a friend. Sadiqun is nakira noun. With nakira noun, with a common noun, usually we are using a or n. You have practiced also a and n. Yes, a friend came from. Hmm, uh, no, don't be hesitant. Hmm. A friend came to me. Look, beta, what are you doing? Visited? How visited? A friend came to me from Misr. Yes. In our secondary school, fi madrasatin saniviyatin. In a secondary school in Kahira. है ना? In Cairo. Yes. Hmm. It is Kahira is Cairo city, na Cairo. Hmm. Ask Misra is comma there. Please pay attention to comma and full stop. Yes. Ask Misra. He is a teacher. He is a teacher in a secondary school in Cairo, the capital of Egypt. This is told about Qahira. Okay? Yes. Yes. بعد أن استراح ليومين كاملين قال لي أي محمد أي محمد هم. في الاستراحة هم. آثار القديمة. Yes. أفلام. It is جمع of فيلم. أفلام الهندية. Yes. Okay, what you are doing? ولأنني لأن. Okay. Hmm. والطلاب والطالبات عاملين. Okay. نبيا, this is عاملين not عالمين. It is عاملين. والعاملين والعاملات. Yes, yes. Now, but there is full stop. Yes. Now, بعد أن استراح ليومين كاملين. Yes. Hmm. Yes, yes. Translate. What you are doing? Where from Egypt? Where is Egypt? Asimatum Misra. It is. I told this sentence is related to this one. Na? Al Qahirate Asimate Misra. This is a complete sentence. Okay. He is a teacher in a secondary school in Cairo, the capital of Misr. Yes. Yes. Completely 2 days. Kamilaine. Complete 2 days. After taking rest, yes. Kalali. He said to me. Kalali. He said to me. Nabia, don't be nervous. What is the problem? Eh? Can't read. You want to read? Afira Conan. Afira. Afira Conan is there now. Yes, Bina. Translation. I want that you have to do translation. Okay. I means O. I Muhammad means O Muhammad. I means O. It is also like ya. Okay? Yes. Kala li. He said to me. Translate it also. Kala li. He said to me. Kala means he said li to me. Okay. After kala, keep it in mind. After kala, le will be used as after said to comes. Okay. Yes. Hmm. No. Hmm. Hmm. It's correct. It's correct. Sahihun. Yes, haza sahihun. Sahihun is in fact haza sahihun. Okay. So we will translate. Okay. Oh Muhammad, it's correct. Yes. Hmm. I came. Ja yajur means beta to come. Yes. Hmm. In a special leave, private leave, on a private leave. इजाज़तिन खुसूसियतिन private leave which is not given from the school or from the work है ना so it is coming special leave private leave yes it is correct. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. To spend my whole time I do but I do not want to spend my whole time in taking rest. Yes. Aflam, it is jama of film. What is the meaning of film? Yes. Aflamil Hindiya, Indian movies. Okay. Afira, Afira do. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. Observing the monuments. Asar al Qadim. Yes. And Indian movies. Yes. وَلِأَنَّنِي مُدَرِّسٌ. لِأَنَّ, what is the meaning of لِأَنَّ? لِأَنَّ, because, yes. Or you can say that for that I am a teacher and for that also can be translated like for that because है ना तो for that I am a teacher in a secondary school. Hmm. But for that for this reason for this reason that I am a teacher है ना तो for that I am a teacher in a secondary school in Cairo. I want. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Avaddu. Vadda yavuddu. Vadda yavuddu means to want. To want. Huh. I want to visit a school for secondary education. Litalimi Sanavi. Okay? Hmm. A school. A school. Madrasatan. This is Nakra noun. A school. Hmm. Education for secondary education. Yes. And to meet أقابل المدرسين والمدرسات and to meet The teachers, male and female teachers, male and female teachers. Yes, male and female students. Male and female students and male and female workers. Okay. Yes, yes. وتعرف عليهم. Yes. Mm. Yes. Mm. And know about them, and know about the course التي يتم تدريسها, about the course which is completed, and which are taught in secondary school subjects. There are different type of boards, they have different type of course. How I can inform you? What do you want to know? Because there are so many boards are there, they have their own courses, eh? Their own books. So how I can tell, and what is the need here? Okay. Yes. And التي يتم تدريسها, which which education is completed or which studies are completed in the secondary schools, in the uh, yes, with you, and secondary schools which you have, है ना, secondary schools which you have, in that which course is studied. Okay. I want to know the what. No, no, but now, Afira, leave. I do not want to read more than it, because first page we have completed. One page one day. I have to complete. Uh, I want that. Yes, here I want that you have to pick out Zamair. We discussed Zamair in chapter 11. Now here I want, here also we have to discuss about the Zamair. If I will read more than it, so we cannot discuss about it. Okay? Yes. What? Yes. Zamir. One Zamir. Not Zamair. Zamair is Jama of pronouns, as we are. One pronoun is coming, so we will say one pronoun. We will not saying that, we will not go to say that pronouns. So Zamir is Mufrad and Zamair are Jama. Okay. Zamair is Jama. Okay. Hmm. Now, in the Zamir, that day I have written Zamair Munfasila and Zamair Muttasila. I have written that. And last year also in seventh class you have read Zamair Zamair. So can you tell me ki Inda is also there, or Inda, which word is Inda? What is the meaning of Inda? What is the meaning of Inda? Afira, with, है ना? Near. Okay. Near indicates which type of word is near? preposition or adverb? What is it? In Arabic, it is adverb of place. In Arabic, it is adverb of place, means it is zarfe makan. Okay. Indakum, with you. Yes. Now, I want that you have to pick out Zamair from this paragraph. Do quickly. I am starting. Ja'ani sadiqum min Misra. Any Zamir is there? Ni. Ni. Yeah. Not ni. Ni. This noon is ja. Okay. Umrah Rashid. Ja'a is verb. Ja yaji'u. Ja yaji'u is verb, beta. And this is ajwaf. Jim ya Hamza. Root letter is Jim ya Hamza, which comes back in Fele Muzara. Yajiyo. What is coming? Yajiyo. Yes. We should do practice also about that. Okay, time is going to be finished. So do quickly, beta. This noon is called Noone Vakaya. Now listen. When you are saying Ja Ani, so this noon comes for, this noon is called Noone Vakaya. Vakaya means to save. I am writing here Ja'a, verb. Yes. If it will come with Ya, Ja'i, okay. So the letter which is coming before Ya will have kasra, and we cannot change fatha of fele mazi. You know that very well that always fele mazi will be, lam kalma will be maftuh always. Okay, it is mabni. So we cannot do it. To save the Arab of fele mazi, this letters Arab to save, we are adding noon, and this noon is given kasara and it will be called ja'ani, and this noon is called noone vakaya, noon which saves the Arab, noone vakaya. Everywhere when we want to save the Arab of the past before word, so we are using this noon. This noon is called noone vakaya. Okay. So main zamir is ya. Yes. Which zamir is this? Can you tell me? Zamir marfu or mansoob or majroor? Which zamir is this? Quickly, don't waste time. What you are understanding, you have to tell me. After that, I will explain. But I do not want that you have to waste time. Yes. Zamire marfu. अच्छा. अच्छा. I'm asking someone else. Yes. At which place it is coming? Can you tell me? In the sentence, analyze the sentence. Ja is verb. Who is file? Ni is file. Me went to my friend to Egypt, or my friend came to. Eh? Who, who is file? Who is file? I is file. Ja is Ja is Are you what I have to say? I'm not understanding which word I have to use for you. Give. You are not knowing ke noun which is coming after a fail and in is it is coming in rafa condition will be file always. There is no doubt कि if any marfu noun is coming तो it will be file. And jaa, I told you also कि jaa sadiqunni. This sentence I explained like that कि you have to translate this like that. And you are saying that ni is file, ja is file. Ja is verb or it is file and this is coming on the pattern of zahaba. Zahaba is wahid muzakkar ghaib sigha or it is coming mutakallim sigha. I'm not understanding कि when you will memorize Gardan and when you will be understand when you will understand the sigha. Sadiqun is coming marfu, no doubt. If in sentence after verb any marfu noun is there, so it will be always file. This is file. So a friend came ni to me. Ab e is coming. This is maful bihi. E is maful bihi. Directly it cannot come. That's why noon is added, and this noon, no purpose is of this noon except that it want to save the Arab of last letter of verb. Okay. So ja fail ni e is coming, and if it is coming maful bihi, so in which condition it will be? Maful bihi. What is the Arab of maful bihi? Can you tell me? Mansoob. So this is zamir mansoob. E is zamir mansoob here because it is coming as maful bihi. Being maful bihi, it is zamir mansoob. The next one. हुआ मुदर्रिसुन फी मदरसतिन सानवियतिन फिल काहिरा आसिमत मिस्र. The next one. Do quickly. Any zamir is there in this sentence? What is it? In which condition? Tell me quickly. In which condition it is? हुआ. In which condition? Sadaqa Shakil. You are saying that marfu. But tell me कि why it is marfu? Zamir marfu. What is the reason why it will be zamir marfu? As I told that ki e is zamir mansoob here because it is coming as maful bihi, and maful bihi will always be nasab condition. That's why I will tell that this is zamir mansoob here. Now you tell me ki huwa is zamir marfu. You are saying it is correct, this is zamir marfu, but why it is zamir marfu? Why it is marfu? Why it is in rafa condition? Yes. Allahu Akbar. Don't be hesitate. There is no need to be give answer in too much hurry. You are not trying to think. Who is file there? Where is the fail? Oh, oh. This is Jumla Ismiya. There is no verb in this sentence. There is no verb in this sentence. How you can say that this is file? This is Mubtada. Who said? Huwa is Mubtada and Khabar. Where is Khabar? Tell me. Huwa is Mubtada and the complete sentence is coming as Khabar. Related to each other. Huwa mudarrisun. Huwa mudarrisun. Huwa mudarrisun, it is a complete sentence. He is a teacher. After that, these are related things. We can omit them. Okay? After harf jar, what is coming? Yes. Bada an istiraha li yawmayni kamilayni qala li. Now, any verb is there? Any zamir is there? No. Okay. Li is there. So li is okay. Li, e is zamir. E, and it is in der condition because harf jar is coming before it. Okay. Next one. I Muhammad. I is harf or nida. So leave it. It is not anything. It is harf nida only. Muhammadun sahihun. Innani jitu fi ijazatin khususiyatin. Any zamir is found? Yeah. In which condition? Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Both answers are wrong. So I am asking. Rafa is wrong. Jar is wrong. Inna. Which type of harf is inna? Okay.